ndoda kuti munhu wese afarire song afarire andinenge ndichiita inini muridzi as well.
Don't wanna remember those days. Rudo hapa China, rudo hapa Thursday. Makanda no Gonzi imbe manamba 11 ngachimba zvekughetto zvekudhakwa, the social commentary, politics chichichi.
Iwe wakazondinyepera si watitisa nyeperane. Daita kango
song yangu kunakidza dot on yesaitere but on yesaitere futi ndoda kuti vaifarire as well. I don't really make songs ndichichaga kuti okay ndoda kugadzira hit these days. It's about making music that lasts for me.
To me it was a great concept.
Handichambokufunga.
But the guy, you know, is a talented guy, you know. When he wants what he wants, he wants what he wants. So you always have to make sure we strike the balance between the artist and the producer.
Okay, so I was doing bits and pieces, debating in my mind because okay, how do I put this song? So I'm going to my different versions. Like I'll try to make you guys listen to the demos, like of how I was making it, how I was creating the chorus.
And I know it's just the beginning of a bigger and a greater journey.
Like I'm a fan of music. I listen to a lot of music. Ndoterera music yes. I think music yandinokwanisa kuti anditerere inondibore. It's like hard metal rock. That's the music yandinokwanisa kuti anditerere. But I do listen to soft rock still. I listen to an Avril, Nana Pink, Nana Ndiri diverse when it comes to like even on my Facebook I share a lot of music, like people's music.
The response from the people, like the fans, has been overwhelming. And
it's Qounfuzed is good pakugadzira manamba ewayo masofta so totarama zingatiite and ndofunga unarungonakirwa nenamba ndopatasvika.
I know my struggles ekuti munhu anogona kutonoimba song yake inonakidza but the fact yekuti zita rake harinosimba hana zita song inongotsakatika and it's sad really, it's really sad because pane pasina exposure and vanhu vanenge vasina kunyatsoipa nzeve simply because that person see like the talk of the town or anything like see, you know, controversial or anything, like people don't really talk about as a household name.
And right now we're pushing the track. It's on iTunes. Look up for it. My WhatsApp
Everyone was just like, whoa, song yekubuda rini ndandaseta date rekumberi because I want to perfect it. At the same time I want to advertise the song, I want to market it before it's out.
You know, it gives us more strength to continue working and gives us that power, you know, to put in more effort into the work and make sure we continue giving you better sound.
Hopefully the track is gonna get to you. I love the track too. Takaimba maline akawanda, totaitama vocals akawanda, ndotashanda akawanda, tanorekoda kubazuka na Casper.
So I set a date, start working on it as tirikugadzira production ye song. Tirikugadzira kuti tichaimaketa sei, tirikugadzira macovers and all that. We're trying to put it on iTunes. Tugadzira ma slideshows, trying to make initially it was meant to kubuda a lyric video, but something happened. But still the lyric video yapo.
My empty promises to promise